Okay guys, so I'm gonna try out the Veggetti. I have no idea how to use it, but we'll see. I bought squash and zucchini. So I'm gonna cut off the end, one end. And I've already washed the squash and zucchini. So I'm gonna cut off the ends. And then I'm going to saute these and pretend they are noodles. So, we'll see. I have no idea. We'll see how this goes. Oh wait, I think you can poke this here. Just be careful when you're putting it on. So I put it on there. Okay, so that's making, yeah, here we go. And I just want to see what happens on the other side. Because there's two sides. So I want to see if this is a smaller spiral. Yeah, I think so. I'm not really sure. But this thing I don't really like. I don't know. Maybe it, oh, maybe when you get to the end. Yeah, one side's skinnier. And one side I think is thicker. Is it supposed to do this? I'm not sure. So let's try this way. I think like at the end you can do it and then I think it'll stay, but it was, when it was really high, it was moving around the zucchini. It wasn't staying still. So, I don't think I need to show you guys another one. Okay. So, that's what I'm left with. And then these, this is the zucchini strings. So, here's the zucchini. And that looks really cool. It looks good. I think it's going to taste good. It just depends on what you season it with. Now, here's my squash. You could do stuff with this. I'm going to add it, but I don't think the squash came out like noodle-like. It came out just kind of, I don't know, broken. So, I mean, I'm going to add it because why not? It's like, why not? But, all right, so I'm going to personally do a little bit of my new olive oil from Boston Olive Oil Company. And a little bit of that on there. I'm going to add a little sea salt. I'm going to toss that. Now, I'm personally going to use a little bit of oyster sauce to give it a lo mein kind of feel. You can add chicken. I'm going to personally add shrimp. I'm going to add a little bit of lemon pepper. This is not overwhelmingly lemony. I usually honestly do it for the pepper flavor, but it's by Simply Organic. I got it at Whole Foods. Sorry, that was from the pepper. There's these interesting pieces that I'm just gonna pick out. So I'm gonna saute these shrimp and add that to my zucchini stir fry. So this is the final product. We have shrimp and zucchini and a little bit of squash and then some white rice, and we used a little bit of oyster sauce. So I think it was a success.